Afternoon world, Hippy Trev here. Another beautiful hot one up here in paradise. Roll that intro.
It's the Hippy Trev cooking show. What will he cook this time? Who knows? Let's sit back and see what he makes. So start cooking already, Trev, for fuck's sake.
Cooking with Hippy Trev. Rightio world, another beautiful day up here in paradise, and at the moment we're sitting on 37 degrees in the bus. Now, someone was asking me the other day, what sort of phone is? Well, there's actually, this is an old bloody controller from one that did have an aircon down the back of the bus over the bed that, thanks to, anyway, we won't get into that, shit itself. So the top one was what the aircon was set at, but the bottom one there, that's what it is in the bus at the moment. It's 37 degrees Celsius, so it's a bit of a warm one. Rightio, so, can't remember who brought it up the other day. I think it was actually Lane. Oh, also quickly, Melaine and Peter. Melaine, I think your name down is New South Wales down there. Your package has arrived in the mail, addressed to Trev and Laney. I'm just waiting for Laney to get a bit of free time so we can come and do a mailing video. She's just been so caught up that she hasn't had any spare time. In the spare time she has, she just wants to sit down and relax. So maybe tomorrow, or today's Sunday, so maybe tomorrow, depending on commitments. Other than that, I'm just going to have to, I'll just open it up without her around. I'm not expecting anything else in the mail anyway, so yeah, Melanie and Peter down New South Wales. Melanie just hasn't been available, made to do a mail call, so she's pretty full up for the rest of the week. I might just, we might just have to open it up without her, sadly. So anyway, we'll just have to see what happens during the week, and hopefully she'll be able to come over and just, yeah, get that video done. So anyway, for today, I'm doing popcorn. Now, popcorn, everyone knows how to make popcorn, I presume. And I'm going to have my critics telling me I've done it all the wrong way, as always. I mean, I had plenty of people the other day telling me I did my fish all wrong. And me and Smokey had a chat, and he said, nah, done it the right fucking way, mate. Now, things like, you know, covered in flour and all this, well, I don't even have flour in the bus. I don't have anything in the bus like that at all. So basically, salt, pepper, and cooking butter, and basically that's it. So anyway, today I'm going to do popcorn. Now, I know this sounds boring as a motherfucker, and it probably really is. So I use a big saucepan. Now what I like to do is put in, I'll get you right up close here. I like to cover the bottom of the pan, firstly, or the saucepan. You want a fair bit in here. I used to not run enough oil in my pans, and the popcorn never turned out really very good at all. Also, don't just buy the corn kernels anymore, the ones they got here in our supermarket. Oh yes, I'm using my Hippy Trev apron, thank you very much. And no, I'm not naked underneath. And they do a black and gold one. They used to get some really good corn kernels in to make nice big popcorns. The ones they get in now, the kernels are just so small that when they pop, they're just, well, basically they're just crap at the end of the day. So, I get this stuff. Now, this is triple butter popcorn. Also, this is supposed to be cooked in a microwave, which I don't do, because one, I don't have a microwave, I absolutely hate them, and two, I refuse to even use a microwave. So it can be a little bit tricky to get it all into the pan or into the saucepan. So I've come up with this bit of a technique. I open the bag up. Cut along this line here. I just had a thing come out of the scanner where they just caught a drink driver for the second time since 4:30 this morning. So this dumb fucking idiot got caught at 4:30 this morning driving pissed, and it's now just gone 2 in the arvo on a Sunday, and he's been caught for the second time in the same day drink driving. I mean, how stupid do you have to fucking be? Like, seriously. And you remember, these people are out there driving on our roads, blind fucking drunk, at the drop of a hat, and at any particular time, day or night, they could actually have fucking, they could kill us. So I'm glad the cops are getting them, and we sure as shit want these fuckers off the road. So well done, boys. But yeah, caught drink driving twice in the same day. It's that's pretty fucked. Rightio, turn the stove on. Start heating up my oil. Now the other thing I do is also I grab a couple of corns from here, a couple just 3 or 4, don't need many. Get on the right, motherfucker. So I'll just grab a couple of corns. Well, one of them made it in there. That's 2 and 3. And what I do is I just chuck them in, So what I do there is I chuck them in there and let it build up to its right temperature. So instead of guessing what the right temperature is of the oil in the saucepan down here, and also give a bit of a shake as it heats up as well. As soon as those 2 go off, I know I can dump the rest of this corn in as well. So this is triple butter popcorn. Supposed to go in the microwave. That's what it looks like at the moment. And also, as this starts going off, at the same time as I drop all the corn in, I'm going to put a great big dollop of butter in there as well. So we're going to hit the saucepan pretty much at the same time. So I'll put the corn in first, and then I'll put the butter in on top. And then a bit of a shake. And so just to make sure it gets up to temperature. I love popcorn. Makes about a whole bowl of it. And what I also do is I also add salt afterwards. So I'll show you how I do that in a minute. This one shouldn't take too long. Alright, it's starting to heat up now. Always give it a shake, because you don't want your corn sticking to the bottom of the pan. Oh, the bottom, I keep saying pan, you don't want the you don't want the corn. There we go, it's starting to pop right now. That's it. Right there, popped. Right, let's get our corn in there. Get all our butter corn in there, quite quickly as I can. Oops. Break it all up a little bit. Nice big wad of butter. Chuck it in there. Oh, come on. There we go. Not as smooth as what I normally do, but anyway. And get that up to temperature. And make sure you shake that quite a lot. Because we don't want the kernels sitting on the bottom of the saucepan getting burnt. Of course, she's fucking hot in here now. Gone up to 38 degrees. There it goes. We're going off. So yes, Malane and Peter down New South Wales. Hopefully, Laney will have a bit of time this week, maybe even tomorrow, and we can do a mail call for you. Yeah, it's really starting to go off in there now. There we go. I'm going to kick back and watch some Netflix after this is done. It's that kind of day. Definitely make sure you shake it around. We don't want the corn to be burnt. And sounds like it's all done. That's hot. Give that a bit of a rinse in there. What I used to do is I used to melt butter here and pour it in, but I could never get the butter consistency right. So what I do now is just throw the butter in. So what I do now, so now throw some of that beautiful popcorn, throw a bit in there. Throw a little bit of salt into it. Last time when Laney was here, we did the live stream, I made my popcorn. I only put salt in on the top and it was just way too salty. That is hot. And there we go. Nice to it light. Very light sprinkle over the top. A little bit more salt over the top and that's it. There you have it. Fresh popcorn. Fucking delicious. A little bit overcooked. Not quite as soft as I did the other day, so. Okay. There we go, well, there's a very quick cooking with Hippy Trev on a Sunday afternoon where it's 38 degrees in the bus. Wicked storm came through last night about, oh no, it was pretty late. I set up late, but we actually had 2 come through, knocked out the power. And Arnie, the old white cat that I haven't been able to pat for like, like 9 years, has now decided he's going to start living in the bus. So yeah, I've got a bit of company of a night time. First pussy in the bus in over 3 years, so anyway, that's pretty awesome. Anyway, well, so that's it for this one. Another Cooking with Hippy Trev done. Just a very simple and short one on how to make popcorn. Yum, absolutely yum. I'll be sitting down watching some Netflix this afternoon. I'll probably munch through that whole bowl. So anyway, well, that's it. So stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and I will catch you later. Bye.